Welcome back my dear friends, this is Engineer Arif.
I have designed this new series of SolidWorks video tutorial for my beginners friends.
This is the part, which we gonna design today using SolidWorks 2018. Oh yes, just do me a little support, subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for getting notification of new releases.
This is the part which we gonna design today for you friends. This is the exercise number 22. This is also a very simple part like earlier tutorials. We will use only one sketch, and one extrude boss command for completing this part. We will use SolidWorks 2018 for designing this part. This exercise video tutorial will help newbies for their regular practice. Hope you will enjoy this CAD tutorial video. If so, then please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and press the bell icon.
Let's start.
Go to Apply Scene and select Plain White. Go to Material, right-click, and select Edit Material. Then choose your desired material.
Left-click and select Sketch. Now take Circle command. Now select Smart Dimension.
Diameter is 80 mm. Radius is 50 mm. Width is 100 mm. Radius is 30 mm. Radius is 40 mm. Make them horizontal. Select these circles and make them equal. Select these circles and make them equal. Distance is 50 mm.
Now select Smart Dimension.
Distance is 50 millimeters. Distance is 86.6 millimeters. Repeat as earlier.
Press OK.
Radius is 20 millimeters.
Now take circle command. Press OK.
Select all these circles. Make equal.
Now select Smart Dimension.
Radius is 20 millimeters.
Press OK.
Hold on Control button and select those circles and choose Tangent Relations. Repeat as earlier. Make them tangent. Hold on Control button and select those circles and choose Tangent Relations. Repeat as earlier. Make them tangent. Repeat as earlier. Make them tangent. Hold on Control button and select those circles and choose Tangent Relations. Make them tangent. Make them tangent.
Now take Trim Entities command. Now trim these lines.
Take Center Line command and draw lines like this.
Now take Trim Entities command, now trim these lines. Now take the line command. Now go to the Features menu and choose Extrude command.
Depth is 10 millimeters.
Press OK. Congratulations!
If you enjoy the SolidWorks video tutorial, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and press bell icon for staying connected with us.